This is my MSI 5080 Supreme Liquid, and I'm sorry I can't do a unboxing and installation video, but I've had this for a month now, so I feel like I can actually give some good feedback on my experience using it. So I will talk about the installation briefly, and it was easy to install. I upgraded from a 3070 with an air cooler, and it was just a case of old graphics card out, new graphics card in. The only difference is you've got to make sure you have room for the 360 radiator that comes with it. I did top mount the radiator so I could exhaust hopefully most of the heat that comes off the GPU directly out of the case, so everything else in the case stays nice and cool. I had an anti-sag bracket already, so I thought I would just continue using it. I do believe that the pump for the water cooling is in the GPU end in this area. So if you are going to get it, you probably do want to mount the radiator somewhere above the pump. So you will have to make sure that you have space for that radiator. Just so you can have a reference of what case I have, that's a Corsair 5000D, and I have the radiator mounted on the top. Okay, I thought I'd do a little test to show what the card's capable of. I've got around 270, 280 frames per second on a 1440p monitor in Borderlands 4. And just to show, I've got most of the settings on high, and the game is running, sorry I'm one-handed, silky smooth,